is the...
Wait. Hui, I need your opinion on this.
What?
I need your opinion on this.
Oh, yeah, it's invisible. Yeah, I'm here. Okay. Solid.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna like the second one more though. I'm feeling.
Hurry it up.
Okay, it's like techno.
Wade? Sorry.
I like it when it went lower.
Yeah, I like it. Dude, this is not fair. That's not fair, bro. I just like that bass sound.
Let's go! Another 200!
Are you winning, Gilo?
Oh my god, yes! I just got another 200, like, without that much effort. What the fuck?
Wait, RS it.
Off when I said that, but now it feels like real.
People clock that.
If you get like a couple decent plays and then like a top, that is a lot of like rank, you know.
That's very impressive. I don't think that's good. I think that's like put a pox, like just like.
Oh yeah, I think it's Blender.
Oh. No, just put a stick in the middle.
You look at the surroundings and the way the camera moves. This is not reality.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
And look at how like nothing. When get lighting on the counter.
That's true.
Shadows.
Perfect blender.
This is the machine from SpongeBob.
Oh, it is. I fucking love Terraria soundtrack. It's so good. Oh, it's a fucking fish slap.
Is this cool? Josh?
That's really good.
Cool.
This person makes music.
Guys!
Did you get another?
Maybe?
You might wanna see
Wait, let me
this.
see. Loading results. No, it's 192. Okay. I was about
Dude,
to.
this is what I'm telling you though.
What the fuck? Oh no, my
That person make
profile
the,
act went down again.
The HEV
Wait,
for save.
notice how each time you're in the call with us, you get a good play?
Is this map higher? Let me check.
Sorry, Mia, you're too late. I don't give a fuck. Mia's gotta post all like 8 pages at once if he wants any of this clout.
Please don't tell me that would have been 200. It was 185. Moment of truth. Oh wait, I just said a 185. What the? No, that would have been 200 if I didn't miss at the end. 185 is 185 though.